a Torah Anytime original series.
Ever wonder where submarines refuel? Think about it. If you're in the middle of an ocean thousands of miles from land, and the whole point of a submarine is that it stays underwater and hidden, where exactly are you pulling over to refuel? There's no gas stations in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, so what do? Here's the wild part that most people don't know. Modern submarines don't refuel. You heard that. Not every few weeks, not every month, ever. They don't refuel ever. A modern submarine can run for years and decades without refueling a single time. Now, how in the world is that possible? Great question. The answer is nuclear energy. Inside the submarine is a tiny reactor with uranium fuel. The scientists take these uranium atoms and they split them apart. It's called nuclear fission, which when the atoms split, they release an unbelievable amount of energy. And when I say unbelievable, I mean a tiny amount of uranium, literally a piece you could hold in your hand, can produce the same energy as millions and millions of gallons of gasoline. So while most machines are constantly scrambling to refuel cars, trains, boats, a nuclear submarine just keeps going. Now look at Jewish history. Physically speaking, we were never the strongest nation. We were the smallest, the most scattered. We lived on the edge of cities. We were the ones exiled, enslaved, expelled, mocked, crushed. And yet civilizations that were bigger, richer, stronger, and more powerful than us are gone. Empires that once ruled the entire world are now museum exhibits. And yet somehow the Jewish people are still sailing forward through history, while so many other nations are shipwrecked at the bottom of the ocean. How? What exactly is our secret? The secret is that most of the world runs on gasoline. Power, money, gold, pressure, fame. The gasoline runs out, and sooner or later, every empire running on that fuel has to scramble to refuel. And when the fuel runs out, the engine stops. But the Jewish people don't run on gasoline. The Jewish people run on Torah, and Torah isn't gasoline. Torah is nuclear energy, and a nuclear engine doesn't need to refuel. We are a tiny nation, but we're plugged into an infinite power source. So while the rest of the world keeps stopping to refill their tanks, stockpiling gold and chasing diamonds and rebuilding power, we go back to our reactor. We open a Gemara, we learn a pasuk, we live a mitzvah, we say Tehillim, and that energy has been fueling the Jewish people for over 3,000 years. So while the rest of the world keeps stopping to refuel at gas stations, we just glide on past, silent, unstoppable, humming along with an engine that never runs out.